Hi, I'm Paul Smith. I've been with Aqua a few months. I've been in the industry for 26 years. The new Advantech systems installed by Aqua, they're much easier to operate. The older systems were very noisy, very unreliable as far as effluent quality. We have tight limits here for the water quality standards. The new system meet it on a consistent basis. Aqua has a very strict schedule of maintaining the system with routine maintenance, regular visits.
Hi, thanks for watching our video about Countryside Mobile Home Park in Sophia, North Carolina. It's our very first general contracting job. We're really proud of the results, pleased for the owners as well as the individual homeowners there that they don't have to listen or smell that old treatment plant that we replaced. As you can see, it was in really bad shape and it had lived its life. So we're really pleased with the system that Kevin Davidson designed with Agri-Waste Technologies. He is an excellent engineer and designed that system, as he always does very well. Schoaf Precast are the folks that made the precast tanks, and they do an excellent job as well. And of course, Orenco Systems, who we've been a dealer with for over 20 years and are our flagship and what we've built the entire business around. Really pleased with the results. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you've got questions about it or we can help you in any way, please stay tuned to the contact information below. Thanks.